Hi everyone, Cass, community reporter for ECS 2026. And with me now, we have Barbara Forbes. Hi.
Hi again.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
You had just finished your entire day of workshop. How did that go for you?
Yes, it's so much fun always, those workshops. It's a long day, so I am pretty tired and pretending I'm not.
Well, I appreciate you being here with us after an entire day of workshop. Barbara, you have been coming to this conference year after year. Why do you keep coming to ECS? What's special
Where
about
does it keep going wrong? Yeah. It's always such a fun conference, and I do remember that it started out as the 3 separate conferences, and I was always part of the Cloud Summit gang, and it's always been fun, a good crowd, a lot of people show up, and a lot, can I say fun again? There's also the sessions are really good, like there's really qualified speakers here, and really a place to learn something new, to hear new sounds and get a discussion going and get talking. And it has one of the best expos of the conferences that you have now. I'm not sure if I'm now insulting other conferences, but there's always a good expo with a lot of booths, people to talk to, and yeah.
So quality speakers, sessions, great expo, fantastic to hear. Thank you so much for that feedback. The entire conference, we are using the run.events app. We are using a lot of innovation. We're always trying to bring a lot of innovation in the entire process we're organizing this conference. How do you find it? Do you find those innovations helping you, meet new people, schedule meetings, or explore the venue? How do you find that?
I do always like that in the app. You can pretty easily find the sessions you want to go to. Like you have just a little heart thingy, so you see a session you like, you give it a heart. And I loved what they actually do really well at this conference is that they check the hearts and see if the rooms are fitting. Because no one likes a completely filled room where people have to stand. But it's also really not that nice to stand in an almost empty room because the room is far too big. And they use it and they change the rooms around based on the amount of hearts people get. And I think that's pretty simple, but it's so clever to do it that way. And as an attendee, it's very easy to just keep track, like you give hearts to the things you like, and then you have your whole schedule in that app.
And what do you think in a few months' time, let's say 6 months, what will you remember about ECS?
We're probably thinking about the next ECS then, early, because that's around the time the call for speakers will probably open and we have to decide on new sessions again, or we get to decide, shouldn't say have to. So, and yeah, it's always for me a pretty busy conference because for some reason I'm doing a lot of things. But it's a bright conference, it's a happy conference, there's a big crowd, and that's mostly the part you remember.
Lovely. I have a bonus question for you. Finish the sentence type of question. ECS is where?
Oh no, I have to come up with something original, and I have ChatGPT for original stuff.
Copilot.
So this is where all the AI agents meet.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Barbara. It was always a pleasure to talk to you. Enjoy the rest of the conference and see you around. Thank you.